Hey, how's it going, guys? Peanut Dubber here, and today we're going to be looking at the song Shady Grove. It was requested by one of my viewers to do a lesson. So, I'm not really a teacher nor an expert at Clawhammer Banjo, but I'm going to do my best to walk you through this and hopefully helps you get you picking it here. So, easy song to do. It's just two chords. It's D minor, played like this. It's D, open D, first string on the G. Second fret on the G. Then we're playing third fret on the B and third fret on the high D. So, see out there? And I usually just start out, get a feel for it, get that vamp going. And it's just boom, chicka, boom, chicka, boom, chicka, boom, chicka, boom, chicka, boom, chicka. And then that's a good thing to practice is that little walk up there. And the way we're doing that is just open on the D, then hammer on second, hammer on third. And then hammer on open on the G, and then second fret on the G. And then you get into the progression of the song. It's boom, chicka, boom, chicka, boom, chicka, hammer on open. And one thing that I do when I play, which is really not how most people would play this, but I'm using a little bit of both of my index and middle finger. So when I come down, I kind of get this extra note at the high D a lot, right before you do your pull, or before you do your thumb. Alright, hey, get out of here, Twitter. Get out of here. Alright. So, start from the beginning again. You go C chord, hammer on, and then you want to do third fret of the B string. So what I'm doing there at the end of that is when you get to that C chord, I'm playing first string, high D, lift off, then B string B string first fret, and when you change in between chords, you kind of pull off and hammer on in between each change. So real slow from the beginning. It's see when I do that change, I hammer on. And so you're doing. Summertime, apples in the fall. If I can't have the girl I love, don't want none at all. Shady Grove, my little love, shady my darling, shady grove, my little love, I'm going back to Harlem. So another way, usually when I'm singing the verses, when I play that last C chord, instead of doing the, I'm playing, so it's just on the C chord, second fret of the D string, then open, the boom, chicka, then open G string, and then, so you kind of hit that open, hammer onto the D minor. Then second, third fret of the B string. That's second, third fret of the B string, and then second fret of the G string. Then open, open and hammer onto the C chord, and then. So that's about the whole song there. I hope that was helpful. Like I say, I'm not really a teacher of this. I was gonna try to draw up a tab, but I don't know if I could figure that out tab-wise. But a lot of great resources on YouTube. The way I learned how to play was from brainjo.net. Start from the very beginning and learn all the basics. And this was one I kind of figured out on my own. There wasn't any tab or resource for this version, the Jerry Garcia version, or similar to how he played it. I think Doc Watson kind of maybe did it that way too. But real fun song, and I hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching.